Hey everybody, welcome into Farm Cooking with Nan. Today I am going to be doing something that I've not done before. I took my immersion blender. Now if you've got a regular blender, put this in your regular blender and it will work fine. Let me get all that good stuff off of this first, okay? What I'm making is supposed to be like a soft serve ice cream. And this is supposed to be, it's not sugar free, so don't get in a panic or anything like that. But it's supposed to be low sugar, low, whatchamacallit. Low sugar and low carbohydrate. So, let me rinse this off just a tad to where I can lay it down. But you can definitely, and if you see something behind me, it's where they're working. I got a new sink and faucet. I'll show y'all sometime or another. But they're making sure there's no leaks or anything like that before I can put back up a curtain or anything like that. Now let me show you what I've done. Look how smooth, creamy that this is. I just used my little immersion blender, but you can put yours in a blender. And I just used Daisy's brand cottage cheese because in this there's about 39 for this whole container. Is like 39. I'm pretty sure 39 protein. 39 protein. Yep. Well, no, it's 13 grams per half a cup of protein, and there's 6 servings in here. So 6, yeah, that would be 3, yeah, be 39. 39. Now, this is powdered PB2, which is peanut butter. And I'm going to put, now I don't know, I'm just guessing on this. I'm just a guessing. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to look to see how much protein, 6 grams. 6 grams of protein for every 2 tablespoons. So I'll figure that up when this is over. Now, I don't have any protein powder like a lot of y'all do. I don't have any. All I've got is, I have the Devotion. You know, I've showed y'all before that I'm doing a trial pack. And so I'm going to open up one of these. And I'm going to try to measure to see how much is in this little pack, okay? Because I don't know. Looks like it's more than a 1/4 cup. Right there's a 1/4 cup. And there's still that much more came out of it. So, what I'm making is a chocolate peanut butter, like a soft serve ice cream. Or you can just be like a pudding, you know, where I'm going to put it in the freezer and let it get good and firmed. And then I'm going to, golly, that smells good. I just got, this afternoon, I was like, I gotta have something sweet. And I normally don't get this bad, but I really had to have something sweet. So I thought, why not use my cottage cheese, which is good in, you can get low fat, low carb, whatever, in cottage cheese. This is what I already had. And I'm going to taste this and see if it needs more of something. You know, hang on. I've been cooking, so don't pay any attention to this place. Just grab me a spoon. So good. So good. And the one that I used, if you just got chocolate, just plain chocolate protein powder, use your plain chocolate protein powder. Now, let me tell you, there is 24 ounces in this thing. 24 ounces. Now, I'm going to stop the camera, and I'm going to rinse this out real good, and I'm going to put this back in there after I get it stirred to where I know there's no peanut butter or anything like that. I taste the peanut butter more than I do the chocolate, though. Truly. This will do me a long time, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to open up. This is called the brownie batter. That's what I just used in there. I'm going to add a little bit more. Hey, Rowdy! What's wrong with you all? Kids don't do that. It's a snowy day, and they are laying over there in front of the heat. And I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but Rowdy don't never get in a tiz. Somebody got him in a tizzy. But 24 ounces of the cottage cheese, and I used that part. I'm the only one eating this. What am I worried about? Pop, don't touch it. I would use 2 scoops of peanut butter and 2 scoops of your chocolate protein powder. And, wow, there's no tellings how many whatchamacallits is in this. Let me clean this up real good, okay? Okay, I washed my, got my camera crooked, it's all right. I washed my little container out. Now listen, I've never eaten cottage cheese in my life. So this, it doesn't have a weird taste. I'm going to put, because I like things sweet, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of monk fruit, because it didn't have a whole lot of sweetness to it, And I'm going to stir that up in here. Just needed a little bit more sugar flavor. And remember, monk fruit does not have, it's a replacement for sugar. Now I'm going to, this stuff is thick. I used 124 ounce container of cottage cheese, and then I used 1/4 cup of the peanut butter, powdered peanut butter. I used 1.5 envelopes of the Devotion. This is the brownie. This is called the brownie batter. I used 1.5 envelopes of this, and it's 20 grams of protein per envelope. So that's 20 plus 39 here. That makes 60, not counting the other half would make 70. Not even counting the, let's see, 40, 50, 60, 70. And I've not counted the peanut butter yet. So the peanut butter says that it is 6 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. And 1/4 cup, if I'm not wrong. Let me double check. According to my adding, there is over 80 grams of protein in this. So I'm going to, yeah, that little bit of monk fruit made a big difference. Big difference. Now, instead of dirtying something else, that's why I put it back in this, and we're going to pop it into the freezer. And we'll have some ice cream after a while. We'll leave it in for a few hours.